Anybody know what we putting the studs in on?
16.
16 on center. 16 on center is saying that you're marking, you're putting the X where it doesn't go, and you're 16 inches over, you're actually marking back what? You know? So when you get to that red mark, it's going to tape measure, it goes 16, and then it'll be a 32 red mark. What did I say we mark back?
What happens when it rains? It comes down here, goes into my house. Water follows the path of least resistance. So once it gets into a cavity or something in your house, the next time it rains, it's gonna be thicker. Next thing you know, the water's inviting all this home. Or my landing, or my steps, is gonna be level across, pitch away, or fall away. Why do we want fall away?